Ever wonder if all those products you use every day, the cleaners, cosmetics, even food, could be affecting your health? You might think detoxing isn't for you, but here's why. Reducing toxins is a game changer for everyone. Toxins are chemicals that can harm your body when they build up over time. They're in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even in everyday products we use. Now, your body does its best to detoxify thanks to your liver, kidneys, skin, and lungs. But in today's world, it's easy for all these toxins to overwhelm your system. Have you ever felt constantly tired, struggled with focus, or even dealt with stubborn skin issues? These can all be signs that your body is struggling to manage toxic overload. And over time, this can lead to more serious problems like hormone imbalances, digestive issues, or even chronic disease. So are you feeling inspired to start reducing your toxic exposure? Here are a few simple steps to get started. Number 1, replace synthetic air fresheners with a diffuser and essential oils. Now, if you're just getting started diffusing, I made a video on this that has some tips to help you get started. So I'll link it in the description. Number 2, swap out plastic food storage containers for glass. Now just start with a few sizes of what you use the most of, and then when the budget allows, keep switching out your plastic storage containers. And before you know it, you'll be rid of all your BPA toxic containers. Number 3, choose organic produce when possible. This will reduce your pesticide exposure. And also, check out your local farmers market for fresh, high-nutrient produce. Number 4, clean with natural products. Vinegar, baking soda, and even essential oils work wonders. I have a playlist of all my DIYs, so I'll link it at the end of this video. Number 5, drink plenty of water to support your body's natural detox pathways. Now, remember, small changes add up. Reducing toxins isn't about being perfect, it's about supporting your body so it can thrive. Imagine waking up with more energy, clearer skin, and a mind that feels focused and free. Now, to help you maneuver the grocery shopping store maze, I have a link to a healthy grocery shopping cheat sheet listed in the description. I hope you'll check it out. Are you ready to take your first step toward a toxin-free life? Share your story in the comments. I love to hear what small changes you're making. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Let's make living well a little simpler.